station. ABC4 News at 10 starts now.
Welcome to the News at 10, everyone. I'm Brian McElhat, and we want to thank you for being with us tonight. And we begin on Wildfire Watch. A brush fire in Box Elder County was contained by firefighters this evening. It was burning along the Cache County line there in Box Elder. Firefighters stopped it before it could burn any buildings. Thankfully, they're watching it now to make sure hot spots don't flare up overnight. Utah Fire Info tells us they originally estimated the fire burned about 100 acres. They revised that number to 30 acres. They also say the fire came within 75 yards of homes there, but crews were able to stop any further progress on that fire. They did good work up there.